How to set project name on BN Video Editor application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to BN application and BN homepage. I have two projects here. You can see the name of project is the date. So if you want to set the name of this project, you can tap the three dot on the right side of this project. So for example, this one project, tap the three dot on the right side and tap the rename. And now you can change the name of this project. So sample, Chad Video. After you change the name or set the name, tap the done button. And we have successfully changed the name or set the name of this project. So if you have more projects, so for example, I rename this another project. So tap the three dot on the right side again. Tap the rename and change the name. So Richard Video. Tap the done button to save this name. If this video helpful, so thank you for watching and see you for my next video like this.